Hi guys, my name is Asia and my friends and I want to say
Congrats,
and welcome to UC Davis. On today's episode of The Big Questions, we'll give you 5 tips that have helped us survive at UC Davis so far. So, take it away, Lillian.
Hi everyone, I'm Lillian. One thing that really helps me get quality work done is having a good workspace. Your environment really affects how well you can focus and get work done. So tip number 1, create an environment that engages your attention. This can include anything like audio, visuals, and even smells. I'll show you mine. Hopefully that inspires you to make your space your own and help you maximize productivity. Let me pass it over to Kwa. He has some advice for some classes you'll be taking.
So tip number 2, go to office hours. They're crucial to help you to succeed and excel in class. So what are office hours? There are times outside of class where you can meet with your professor in a smaller setting and ask questions about the things you learned in class. A lot of the times I was able to finish my homework there and even get hints on what would be on the exam. Even if you don't have any questions in mind, coming in just to listen to questions from other students can be really helpful. So in my opinion, that's totally worth it. Take the time to attend them even though they might be virtual. Well, that's it from me, but Emma's got some sweet advice on how to take notes.
Thanks, Kwa. So one way to boost productivity is to take notes that capture your attention. There are tons of ways to take notes, so you just have to find one that works for you. For example, you can take notes on plain bind paper, you can type out your notes on PowerPoint slides, you could write key notes on Post-its and stick it into your textbook, or you could print out your lectures and write on those. But personally, I'm a visual person, so I love writing them out and color coding everything and drawing graphics from time to time. The most important thing is to find the best way that helps you retain information. So don't be afraid to try out different methods to see what fits your style. Oh, it looks like Aaron's outside. Let's see what he's up to.
Hi, my name is Aaron, and if you're anything like me, you believe that staying healthy is a necessary part of getting the most out of your day and time at school. For example, exercise makes me less stressed, less anxious, more focused, and more positive. So tip number 4, make sure to take care of your body. Find a regular exercise routine, eat well, meal prep, check out some IM Sports, or drop by the ARC. Find a way that you enjoy that keeps you healthy. That's it from me.
Alright, so the last tip I have for you is short, but definitely the most important. These next 4 years in college are crucial. This is a time where you'll be making memories and achieving your goals. So make friends and find people with whom you can genuinely connect and do life with. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. Let us know in the comments below on how you plan to implement these tips and tricks, or if you have something helpful that you want to share with us. We'll see you next time.